Good morning. Good morning. Peekaboo. Good morning, beautiful. Happy Wednesday, my love. High five. High five. Agay. Agay! Kadagay na ni mong ngipon. Ayaw si pamaak. Daga na kay kag ngipon. Daga na kay kag ngipon. Peekaboo. Ba! Mommy prepare Ate's lunch, okay? 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 Bye-bye. Say mama. Say mama. Oi. Say mama. Say mama. Say dada. Say ate. Say ate. Bye-bye. Go. Bye-bye. Sige na. See you later. Love you. Good throw, Alo. Laro muna sila. Tapos na yan si ate. Yes! Hi! You gonna join? Go join. Go join them. Go.
Turn on.
Arlo's a good throw. Throw it to Daddy. Ang galing mag-throw nitong dudong ko.
What's this?
Good catch! Well done, Koys. Hindi ko ma-vlog si Dan. Nakahubad pa. Oh, well done. Beautiful. Oy!
What the heck was that?
Bad throw. No, that's okay. She just did a bad throw. It happens. That's fine.
Come on.
Don't throw to Ayla. Ayla, throw it. Do a good throw. Tingnan yung buhok niya. Tabingi, guys. Ayaw niya ipa-fix sa akin. Should we braid it?
No.
And tie it at the back?
No.
You happy with that? It looks a bit wonky.
No.
No? Okay. You look pretty, baby. She likes your hair. You don't have long hair yet. You don't have long hair yet, beautiful. Eee. Say mama. Say mama. She's gonna say ate. Say Ayla. Magsasalita na to eh. Salita ka na, be? Say baba. Hindi, say mama. Say dada. Say mama. Sus, hindi. Ka. Gabi na din to magsalita. Ano yung first word mo? First word niya is baba. Baba. And then kaka. Wala man lang mama. Wala man lang dada. Ba. Si baba yung una. Hindi. Say mama. Say mama. Say mama. Ka. Say ka. Baba. So, yung first word ni ate, dada. First word ni kuya, Mama. Ikaw naman, baba. Iba-iba man yan. Paiba man, hindi ko. Say, mama. Say, mama. See? Kaka. Kaka at saka baba yung kanya. Say, dada. Say, dada. Say, dada. Hindi talaga siya papapigil. Nag-drawing pa talaga. Baby naman eh. Sabi niya, saglit lang. Heart lang naman idodraw ko. So, she drew a love heart. Good job, baby. Daddy said 1 minute. And you have to go.
She said, I have 30 seconds.
Oh, 30 seconds. Hurry
You
up.
got 10 seconds.
Oh, 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8.
This looks perfect anyway already. 3, 2, 1. That's perfect.
You got to say 0.
Oh, 0. That's perfect. I love it. Who's that for? Indy?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I have to write her name.
Okay. I. Hurry up. I. Yeah. N. Now. Here. Do you want to do a big one or a small one? A baby N or a big N? A baby N? That. And then D. D for Daniel.
So a little D because I want to do all the letters.
Okay. Little D.
So one really little.
Yeah, little is fine.
Is that a baby D?
That's a big D, but that's okay. That looks perfect.
Oh.
Ah, perfect, baby. And then I. Another I. And that's it. Good job! Well done, baby!
Now we're going to do everything D so it looks the same.
Well done, baby.
Copy.
Alright. Oh, good.
Alice, Alice.
Alright, go. Good job! B yung nilagay niya. Good job, baby.
Hi, we got one color.
Oh my gosh, hurry up, Ayla. You're gonna be late. Alright, go. Bye, love you. Come on. You look so pretty today, baby.
Mom, can we cut this first?
Yeah, not now, not now. I'll let you cut it later when you get home from school.
Mom, can you cut it first?
I can, yeah, later. Come on. You gotta go. Hello, say goodbye to ate.
Bye.
Alice, bye, Dad.
Bye, princess.
No, no.
You got it, come on.
Oh, what's wrong?
Ooh, nice one. Okay, I'll help you in a minute. I need to change Indy. Ito na naman siya, oh. Akit na naman siya, oh. Sus, batang bait. Tingnan nyo yan. Yan, ang galing-galing na niya. Tingnan nyo yan. You stuck? I need to look after Indy Alo, so just wait. And then, ano talaga yan? Aabot talaga yan sa taas. You're super stuck. Sige, Indy. Akit na lang tayo. Doon na lang kita bihisan. So, nagsimula siyang ganito nung nag-dinner kami nila Manay. Manay at Kat. Na-vlog ko yun kasi, sabi ni Dan, vlog eh. So, vlinag nila habang maakyat siya. Pero nun, ang bagal pa niya. Ngayon, ang bilis-bilis na niya. Guys, tingnan nyo naman tong batang to. Come on, girl. Ang bilis niya, guys. Good job, Indy. Well done. Keep going. Keep going. Don't look back. Well done. Beautiful. Diba? Di pa naglalakad pero marunong umakyat sa stairs. She's very quick. Well done. Beautiful. Say, Mama. Say mama.
Yeah.
Yeah. Careful. Don't look back, I said. Huy, where you going? Keep going, keep going. Good job, Indy. Well done. Well done, beautiful. Good job! Lumingon pa talaga. Come on, keep going. Last one. Last one. Last one, Bob. No, 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 no. Not like that. Indy. No. Go there. Go there. Let's change your nappy. Come on. Change your clothes too. Come on. Good job. Beautiful. Well done, India. Yay! Did you make it? You did. You made it. All right, here. Follow the guys. Come on. Come on. Follow the guys here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yung gapang niya, guys. Okay na. Matino na yung gapang ng baby natin. Ganyan na talaga yung gapang niya ngayon. Good job, beautiful. All right, here. This way. This way. Look, look. Follow the guys. Where are the guys? Where's the guys? That's empty, my love. Mommy needs to do laundry today. Alright, come on, let's change your clothes. Good job, beautiful. Well done, boys. Change your clothes up. Uy, what did you press?
Come on.
Now she wants the camera.
Wait, I know.
Now she wants the camera.
I'll go up.
See?
And the toy.
Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
You gonna climb, Princess?
Oh my gosh, you guys. Tomorrow, bukas siya na lang isa mag-akyat nito. Alright. Hello, watch out. Aww, sabi ni Arlo, good job.
You toy?
Oh, you done?
I'll do.
Bababa na siya. Tama na daw. Bababa na siya. Alright, let's go.
Hello. Hello.
Good job.
Hello, say something to the camera. Say something.
I don't know.
Oi.
Ang galing niya na yung masala rin.
There you go.
Done.
Good job,
Good
man.
job, India. Well done, beautiful. Well done.
So just press the red button.
Guys. Okay, don't keep looking at the guys. It's okay. It's okay. More siya sa guys. Kaya nga eh. Gusto niya kasi mag-posing pa eh.
You want toy?
Good job, Baba. Well done, beautiful. Parang siyang penguin.
Go over up here. Go right up here.
Tumitingin sa kanya.
Holy, you already had your turn.
Just mo, bit be.
Up, you can.
Si guys talaga nag-war siya. Go, baby.
Aww.
Gusto niyo na maglaro.
What even is
Ano
this
mo?
supposed to be?
Up to the guys.
Balikan niya si
This is a
guys.
mermaid. Mommy will tell you.
Mhm.
Mom.
Yes.
Right.
Not yet, not yet. I'm watching you.
A tail.
Look at this. Oh, see?
No. I'll sit in there. We turn to elbow.
Nag-war na.
She's making sure everybody's watching her.
I know.
Right.
Oh, it's good.
Oh.
You're very good.
Come on, get up the step.
Oh my gosh. she's getting quicker.
Kaya nga, mas mabilis na siya.
Kaya nga, wala na tayo sa frame.
Ako na.
Mom, I hope he's here.
Bilis niya na, Doy.
He's getting to my knife.
Yes, baby.
No, babe. She's gonna make it.
Daddy! Daddy! Dad, sorry!
Madidistract.
Daddy, you have to
Wala na. Kayo.
Isla, they're watching Indy. Climb to the top. Watch Indy.
Ang bilis niya na.
Okay, go.
Si guys talagang wino-worry niya. Go.
Ali, she's gonna fall.
Na?
Help her, Ali. Careful. Ali, watch out. Mummy's better. Mummy's better. Is she doing a good job, Ali?
Wala na, Day. Mapifinish niya. Good night na. Bye-bye.
Yeah, the camera she likes.
Yeah, she wants the camera.
What might say, Princess?
Good night. She's so good.
Watcha, guys.
Well done. You're gonna put the fence now, Danny boy. Oh no, the guys. Oh no. The guys are here.
Ang ikli ng nap. Ang ikli ng nap. Ang ikli ng napi ni Indy. Ang ikli ng nap. Do you want lunch? Initin natin ang ating munggo. Nagmunggo kami guys kagabi. Hindi ako nag-vlog. So I didn't vlog from Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 4 na araw hindi ako nag-vlog. Kasi tinapos ko lang yung lahat ng kailangan kong tapusin. And now we are back. Happy Wednesday. So, we have munggo. Dagdagan ko ng tubig. Soak na kasi siya. Ito yung lunch namin today because Indy loved it last night. Ito yung ulam namin ng mga bata kagabi. You like it, didn't you, baby? Ay, sarap naman ng munggo na yarns. I know. It's okay, we'll eat soon. Just wait. Busing ko na lang. Mommy will just finish it. Oh, yummy. Yummy, girl. We got a package from Amazon. Ito yung mga bagong drink bottles ng mga bata. Nag-order ako sa Amazon, guys. Kasi yung kay Ayla nawala. Yung kay Arlo naman, nasira. So, merong ginagamit si Ayla ngayon, yung hindi siya insulated. So, in-order ko to ng Monday ng gabi. And ngayon, Wednesday, dumating. Bilis, diba? So, this time, I chose this brand from Elements. Elemental pala. For Ayla, ang cute ng kulay. Tapos ito for Arlo. Meron din silang mga printed, but I chose the plain one. Ang cute! This is actually really cute. Hala, madali lang ba ito, Kuys? Do you know how to open it, Kuys? Try. You just, guys, Alo, press this. Press. Now here. This side. Yeah, press. Yeah, iba lang yung open niya. Hindi siya kagaya nung nung B-box na button. So, ganito siya. Is that easy? Again. Okay, and then you drink, okay?
No milk.
Yeah, you did it. Well done. Hey, Indy. Hello. Here. It's Ates.
Mommy.
Agoy.
Mommy.
Mommy, wash it. And then, nag-order din ako ng mga molds, guys. Mahilig yung mga bata sa mga gummy na lolis. Gusto kong gumawa ng sarili kong gummy lolis. Gamit yung mga like leftover fruit namin. Alam mo yun? So, in-order ko na to. Mura lang to. $11. Marami na siyang laman. Ang galing. My donut mold.
What is this?
Donut mold. Ah! Gummy bears mold. Dino.
I have dinosaurs.
And hearts.
I have dinosaurs.
Ang ingay. And then it comes with a dropper. Para madali lang i-drop yung ano. Oh, here. Wait. I'll give you something. Here. You can play with that.
I have dinosaurs.
Bili ako ng ingredients for gummy lolis and gawa tayo ng sarili nating gummy lolis, guys.
I'm a dinosaur.
Noon pumupunta kami ng Costco, bumibili kami ng gummy
Daddy
bears.
dinosaur.
Ngayon hindi na ako bumibili, pero si Dan bumibili ng mga snake.
Daddy dinosaur.
So itong mga batang to, may snake. Tapos si Nana, ayun. Every Wednesday, may lolis yan si Nana para sa kanila. Or every time nagkikita sila. So ngayon, mapupuno na naman ang lolis tong mga to. Here, I need to wash these. So Ayla can use this tomorrow. Asan na kaya yun sila? 3:23 na wala pa din. Si Nana yung susundo kay Ayla eh. Baka nag-stop na naman sa pinsan nila. Sa room ng pinsan nila. Okay. It looks easy to clean. So, ganyan lang siya. And then straw.
Last one.
Yeah, wala siyang masyadong maraming like silicone dyan sa ilalim. So, ganyan lang siya. Hopefully, it's good. You gotta practice doing that, Alo.
Mommy.
Can you do that, Alo? Yeah? So, open again.
I got the hands.
Yeah, just do that. Just keep practicing, okay? So, it's easier for you. Is it hard, guys? Maybe put your lollipop down and do this. There you go. Again, yeah, again. Do it. That's it, boys. Good job. Say daddy. Say daddy. Say daddy. Good job. Say daddy. Say daddy. Daddy. Good job. Say daddy. 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 Let's go, Nick. Atakihin na sa puso tong nana mo. Dito si Nana. Ayaw niyang umakyat. Hey, say daddy. Say daddy. Say daddy. Say daddy. 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 Hello guys! Kakaalis lang nila Sharon. It's 5:18 ng hapon and I will be making Hokkien noodles. Ipa-follow ko lang itong Malaysian style Hokkien mee by Brendan Pan. So, meron na ako ditong, well, hindi ko makapi lahat ng ingredients, pero I'll just work with what I have, pero kakapihin ko yung sauce niya. So, I have Hokkien noodles here. It's 1 kilogram, but I only need 500 kasi yun yung nasa recipe niya. Kasi yung mga bata, mahihilig sa noodles, guys. But we don't stock mee goreng anymore. Actually, meron pa ako. Kaya lang hindi ko binibigay sa kanila. So, kapag nagre-request sila ng noodles, yung binibigay ko is yung spaghetti na pasta, tapos spaghetti sauce lang. The kids really like the Hokkien noodles sa Phuket Town. Tapos nag-search ako ng Thai Hokkien noodles. Hindi naman lumalabas. Ito yung lumabas, yung Malaysian style. So, we'll just copy it. So, yung ilalagay ko is prawns at saka itlog. And then, instead of cabbage, I'll be using lettuce kasi meron kaming lettuce na natira. Tapos, meron na akong carrots dyan. Isang maliit na carrots lang yan. Anyway, paano natin to hahatiin? Hatiin ko lang to into half kasi nga 1 kilo to, I need 500 grams only. Gawin ko muna yung sauce. So, I need soy sauce, oyster sauce. Hala, ano yung light soy sauce? Yung soy sauce natin, dark soy sauce ba to or light soy sauce? Sabi niya, light soy sauce daw. Tapos, dark soy sauce. Oyster sauce din. And then, sugar. And then, cornstarch. Gawin ko lang 1 tablespoon ito, guys. Sa recipe, 1.5. But it says light soy sauce. I'm not sure if this is light. So, 1 lang yan. To start with. Tapos, dagdagan natin mamaya kung kulang. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong lasa ng dark soy sauce. Baka masyado yung ano. And then, oyster sauce. 1.5 tablespoon ng oyster sauce. 1/2. Dark soy sauce. Ito, bago to. Kasi wala akong dark soy sauce na nakastock dito sa bahay. Wala siya sa Coles eh. Nabili niya to sa Family Mart. Yung sa Korean shop. 2 tablespoon naman ng dark soy sauce. 1. Bakit feeling ko sobrang maalat to? 1 tablespoon white sugar. 1/2 tablespoon cornstarch. And then 1/2 cup water. 1/2 tablespoon. Alright, that's the sauce. O diba, sa recipe niya walang onion. Onion yung una kong chinap. Garlic lang yung meron siya. Let's do garlic.
Hello, princess.
Lagay na natin ang noodles. So, yung recipe, guys, wala na. Hindi ko na talaga na-follow. Lagyan ko dito ng itlog kasi yung recipe walang itlog. Ito na yung ating Hokkien noodles with prawns and egg. Tapos meron, yung gulay niya is carrots at saka lettuce. It's good. Nakapatong na ko, guys. Tikman natin. Yum. I'll drizzle it with sesame oil. Good job, guys. Almost done. Oh, I can see a bowl there under the table that needs to go in the sink. Give it to Daddy, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Is this empty aloe, the Pringles? Put that in the bin. Na aloe that goes in the sink. And take the Pringles. Put the Pringles in the bin. Gusto talaga nila magtabi. Sige, magtabi kayo dyan.
I can't hear you guys.
Alright, good night, guys.
Good night, Mom.
Good night. Love you.
I don't like your pee. I do.
Aloe's sleeping now. See? Alright, come on.
Wow.
Good night. Ayla, move there. I don't want you to fall. Aloe, get some sleep now. Sige na. Good night.
Good night, Mommy.
Good night, baby.